Hello and welcome to question 18 of the new style GCSE 8300/1H higher tier non-calculator specimen paper. And in question 18 we're told that in this question all dimensions are in centimetres. A solid has uniform cross-section. The cross-section is a rectangle and a semicircle joined together. So we're looking at a three-dimensional object with a rectangle and a semicircle as the cross-section. Work out an expression in centimetres cubed for the total volume of the solid. Write your expression in the form of ax cubed plus 1 over b pi x cubed, where a and b are integers. Okay, so what we have here is a rectangular prism of width x, depth x and height 2x, and we have a semicircular prism. Now actually let's just do the rectangular prism first. The volume of the rectangular prism is simply x times 2x, which is 2x cubed. The semicircular prism, well, that's basically a whole cylinder that's been chopped in two. So it's half the volume of a cylinder. And the volume of a cylinder is the area of the circle multiplied by the depth of the cylinder. Now the area of the circle, of course, is pi r squared, where r is half of the diameter and the diameter is x. So this is, I'm going to write it here, pi times r, but instead of r I'm going to say x over 2, and all this is squared. And then this has to be multiplied by x, which is the depth, so that's times x. And because we're not looking at a whole cylinder, we're looking at half a cylinder, this whole lot has to be divided by 2. So let's write down let's do semicircular prism. Equals, right, so this is pi times x over 2 squared, which is x squared over 2 times x, which is x cubed over 4, and that's divided by 2, so that's x cubed divided by 8. So that's pi, in fact I'm going to write it in this form because it's 1 over b pi x cubed, so I'm going to write the 1 over 8 here, so that's 1 over 8 pi x cubed. And of course the volume of the rectangular prism please forgive my slow writing. Rectangular. One of these days I'll have to get a graphics pad. Rectangular prism. Otherwise known as a cuboid, by the way. A rectangular prism. The volume, of course, is 2x cubed. So the whole shape, I'm going to put volume of whole shape. Volume of, I'm going to miss out the word whole and just put shape. It's very laborious to have to write like this. Volume of shape equals 2x cubed plus 1 over 8 pi x cubed, which is exactly the format they want. A is 2 and B is 8. Okay, hope that helped, and I'll see you in the next video.